Digest React and Review. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well and awesome. And yes, today again I will be doing a music video reaction. This is Bhumi, which is a Malayalam rap done by Vedan, and I had loved his Voice of the Voiceless rap. It was a great song. It had, he had addressed the social issues. He had addressed the current social scenario of our country. So I am expecting that Bhumi is also going to be addressing certain current issues, and I'm really excited to see. I know his rapping is great, but I'm more, I'm more excited for? I'm more excited to read the lyrics of the rap. So yes, without dealing this any further, let's react to Bhumi. All right. Whew. Ooh, the flute. I can't do that. Okay, sorry. Oh, it's covered the world. The earth, Bhumi. Okay. Oh, there are visuals also. Oh, the Rohingya issue in Myanmar. Oh, the beat is amazing. Yes. The dude is spitting facts. Wow, yes. The dude is basically spitting facts. Unbelievable. Mala? I'm not aware. Oh my God. This line has hit me hard. Where every day is becoming hell. Yes. Oh wow. Over? Oh, this was a... Okay, that got over really soon. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. This dude is amazing. He is amazing. Vedan is amazing. There are very few artists, I'm talking about musicians particularly, who would take up a social cause or who would, talk about issues which are concerning to their specific country or the world in general. I have really not witnessed many artists do that. He is one of the rare ones that I have actually witnessed, and I hope this also goes viral like Voice of the Voiceless. I hope it also gets a bigger audience. It has already crossed many views, but let's first talk about the rap, and then we'll talk about the lyrics, because the lyrics are really important. It needs to be talked about. The rap, I loved how it started with that flute sound. It was really nice. And when he was rapping, he started like normally he started rapping, and then when he was saying that line, where I live, the earth that I abide to, it is heading for sort of destruction. At the end, wait, the line. The earth where I bide, where every day is becoming hell. And he keeps repeating that line again and again. It becomes more and more aggressive. I really like that part. And the beat, if you listen to the beat, it is so dark. It is such a dark sort of a beat. This part. it's the beat, it's a fast rap, but it's such a dark, they've made the beat so dark, and the overall feeling of the rap is really dark and angry. You can make it out from his vocals, the way he's rapping, that he's venting out his frustration and anger. So that was really nice. Now let's talk about the lyrics. He has practically covered every major news that has happened in the world, from from the environmental issue, that the icebergs are melting at the Arctic. Then there were so many things. So every line is important. Korea the bloodthirsty was about North Korea. He started with Syria, moved on to North Korea. Then he talked about how Mexican dream has been. They said that Trump said that he'll build a wall, so Mexican dreams getting shattered. In the name of religion, Mother India is wandering in the search of light, because this is happening like in our country at the moment, that how polarizing the opinions are right now at our country. So then he talked about the ones which I loved. He talked about the Palestinians, the war with Israel that is happening. The issue with Israel. Then he talked about Myanmar, about the issue with Rohingya Muslims that is currently ongoing. Then, oh my goodness, he talked about Asifa's case. Oh my goodness, he talked about the son of New Yorker's own soil. I forgot his name, the guy who was choked to death by the police officer, Eric something, which gave rise to the Black Lives Matter movement. So many things. And when you watch the lyrics, when you concentrate on the lyrics, you understand that, my God, it's just going downhill, na? Every day it's just going downhill, and we think that okay, the next year is gonna be better, the next year is gonna be positive, but it's the same or worse. It's the same or worse. And I understand that there are people who are doing good. There are people, otherwise we would have been extinct long back if it weren't for the good people, because I am very hopeful in my heart that there are more good people in this world than bad. But yes, unfortunately, that good never gets that amount of media attention that these news get. And it's nice to be aware about the bad things that are happening in the world, but the way it is sensationalized is not okay, because a lot of negativity from the media also feeds into our brains, and I think we are also to blame as an audience. I'm putting myself also in the pedestal, that whenever we see a news which is negative, we click on it with more enthusiasm than we would click on a positive news. How many times do we, when we are scrolling mindlessly, if there is something which is negative, we automatically click on it. The potential to click on that kind of news is more than to click on a positive news. So yes, I think we are also to blame. We are part of the problem. And we can become part of the solution, hopefully. But I loved how he has brought up all these issues. He's just spitting facts. He only gave his opinion at the end, that the earth where I'm living, it's turning into hell. And why he has said that, he gives his opinion. If you see the rap, he has only spit facts, what is happening, and then because of this facts, he is giving his opinion at the end. So that's what I liked about the lyrics, that he's just saying things that have happened, and he's making us think hard, that have you guys realized what kind of world we are making for our future generations? What is the kind of world we are, what is the kind of lessons that we are going to teach to our future generations? So makes you think very hard, and I'm very happy that he is making such, lyrics. I would be very, very interested to see if he also makes a song or a rap, which also highlights the positive side of things, like people who are doing good. For example, the doctors and nurses who have worked endlessly during this time of pandemic. So I would want him, because I feel his voice is relevant. His voice is relevant enough to make an impact. So I really would want him to, that it's a great thing in both the raps. I love that he has brought up the issues, but I would also want him to show the positive side of the world as well, because that'll be really nice. That'll be really nice that yes, crap is happening, but okay, this is also, there is a silver lining, which is this. So yeah, I loved it. Do let me know your opinions and thoughts on this rap. I personally really like his rap. I personally like his style of rapping as well. And my only thing is that I would want him to make a rap which also has the good side of the world. I would really want him to make that rap as well. So yes guys, that was my reaction on the music video of Bhumi. I will be very happy if you share your opinions on this rap as well. Where do you stand in the current scenario? What is your opinion? I would love to know that. And yes guys, that was the reaction. Hope you've come till the end of the video. If you have, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.